Google Cybersecurity versus CompTIA Security.
Yo, step aside, let me set the stage. I'm CompTIA, the vet with rage. Been in the game since the cyber dawn. Every SOC Analyst got me on. Global respect, my cert's worldwide. Employers trust, I'm the old guide. I'm vendor neutral, tough and tight. I train defenders to fight that fight. I cover threats, risk and compliance, real world skills backed by science. Google's new, just testing the tide, but I'm the OG, I'll never slide. Listen up, grandpa, your time is done. I'm Google Cybersecurity, I'm the rising sun. Affordable, modern, no gatekeeping fees. Hands-on labs bring hackers to their knees. Coursera path, straight to a role. SOC Analyst born, that's my goal. In 6 months flat, I changed the game, bringing fresh talent. Remember the name, I'm inclusive, open, no lock or chain. Teaching with practice, not just brain. While you charge 100, I lift the youth. NepHack knows Google's the truth. Respect the hustle, I see your fire, but without me, no job will hire. Recruiters search, and they know my tag. Google's new wave, still chasing the bag. I'm security plus, the industry key. Ask the Dodi, they all need me. Your labs are cute, but I'm the core. Without my stamp, you can't open the doors. Doors are opening. Can't you see? The future is Google accessibility. I'm cheaper, faster, and skills are real. With live attack labs that hackers feel. Security plus is respect from the past, but I'm building futures, scaling fast. Diversity strong, I'm bringing more in. Breaking the barriers, that's how I win. So CompTIA, salute and step back. NepHack crowns me the Google attack. Old guard pride, but the new wave wins. Google Cybersecurity, where the future begins. NepHack's truth, the battle is tight, but Google Cybersecurity takes the fight.